Hi, I'm Charles Gilbert with the Astec Material Solutions Group. I'm the Director of Sales for North America East, and I'm standing here today with our Titan T300 cone series. I wanted to talk a little bit about the features and benefits of this unit. Primarily, it is a bushing crusher, has hydrodynamic bushing, which is a positive pressure crusher. We offer this series in 200 horse, 300 horse, 400 horse, and also the 500 horse. These crushers are designed for fine crushing and for secondary applications. This particular unit offers a patented clamping system for the upper assemblies, which adds to the ability of this unit being able to crush a finer product. This series of crusher is a very low maintenance unit because of the way the hydrodynamic bushing operates. It operates on a film of oil that makes it a very low maintenance because there's no friction of the bushing. If you want to learn more about this unit, please call us at Astec.